Hey, what's up guys? I'm Dave Boyer, aka Mr. Boyer, aka the Swamp Man. Hiking on the Congress Trail in Sequoia National Park with my family. I got Belle in my backpack and my wife, Mrs. Boyer, and my daughter Abigail ahead of us. So as we were walking through the trail here, seeing all these beautiful big trees, we got combinations of different trees here. Mostly came to see the sequoia trees, but there's also a lot of pines in here. I think they're lodgepole pines. So give me a chance to talk about how trees reproduce. We'll definitely study how flowering plants reproduce and all the different parts there. But once they produce a seed, how they disperse the seed is different for different plants. So a lot of plants will grow fruits, and then those fruits will be eaten by animals and then dispersed later on by those animals. But for a lot of these trails, a lot of these trees on this trail, they produce cones. So I got a couple of cones here. You can see the bigger one there is from a pine, a lodgepole pine, I believe. So the pine is not nearly as big as the sequoia. The sequoia is the biggest tree in the world, and yet its pine cone is ginormous. So it's pretty cool to see the difference in size. I've got the other pine cone here. The other cone here is from a sequoia tree, and it's really small. It's only a couple centimeters tall. So the size of the tree does not determine the size of the cone. When a cone is completely closed up, the seeds are trapped inside of it, and then when it's ready to release those seeds, it opens up the cone like this pine has here, and the seeds are buried deep inside of the cone there. And then they might also use a animal to disperse those. If you've seen a squirrel in the woods, they might be picking up pine cones and trying to get the pine nuts from inside of them. But once the cone opens up, those seeds can just fall out also and naturally disperse themselves. So just want to share that, the difference in size there, some different trees on the trail here. Just really enjoying my hike here. Wanted to share that. Science rocks. Peace.